Hi, Eric Prior, Wallick Volk Mortgage. Hope you're doing well today. This week's question of the week has to do with rehabilitation loans. This came about when a client found a property that was bank owned and the seller wouldn't, make any repairs. The house wouldn't qualify otherwise, going FHA. So this is a great solution for those as-is, cash-only type of properties, and it basically opens up those listings to a broader audience of home buyers. It's a great way to make repairs to a property. A lot of lenders in town, frankly, don't offer this program because it does require a high degree of organization and follow-up, and it's complex on the lender side. So I personally feel that it's an important loan product to offer to our community. It's a great way to improve these homes and to, like I said, help more home buyers buy those houses that are as is and in need of repair. So this is a broad overview. If you have specific questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Of course, if you have a home buyer that you think this would work for, please don't hesitate to pass along my information. I'll be happy to help them. So let's dive in. The program that I specifically specialize in is the WCDA Spruce Up program. It's also known as an FHA 203K Streamline Rehabilitation loan. It's a great program, and I've got many years of experience using it. It's intended for first-time home buyers. We finance in up to $35,000 in repairs, and we basically qualify the home buyer for the purchase price and that loan amount plus those repairs. So that total is what we're qualifying them for. Repairs are done after closing. It's intended for minor remodeling projects, so this isn't, adding square footage, changing roof systems, removing load-bearing walls. It's really for, the intent is for improving the functionality and modernizing the home. So upgrading kitchens, upgrading bathrooms, painting, inside, outside, windows, roof, repairing electrical, etc. There are 5 required inspections. So these inspections include the roof. So the roofing system, gutters and downspouts have to be in working order. Foundations inspected, electricals inspected, plumbing's inspected, including well and septic if that's applicable, and then the heating system is inspected as well. Now once those inspections are completed, any items identified in need of repair on those inspections are required to be incorporated into the scope of the project. And then the buyer can decide after that, if there's other funds available, the buyer can decide, okay, what else do we need to get bids on? What else do I want to include in the scope of this project? So for example, if there's $500 in electrical and $5,000 in the roof, then the remaining up to that $35,000 can include new flooring, new windows, upgrade the kitchen, etc. But those 5 inspections are required to be complete on every project. Let's talk about the management of the project. All bids and work have to be from licensed contractors. It can't be a friend of a friend, doing the work. If it is a complex project, we may require a general contractor. Generally speaking, though, if it's just a handful of subs, we typically can manage that project. Wallick Volk does hold the funds and disperses them and acts as the general manager, or the project manager rather. At closing or soon thereafter, 50% of the bids are paid. And then once the project's completely completed, the remaining 50% is paid to the contractors after we have a final inspection. Because it's the streamlined version, there's no HUD or FHA inspector required. The appraiser is going to make that and conduct that final inspection. There is a 10% contingency required. That's to cover any overruns that any of the contractors may encounter, and then any leftover funds are paid to the borrower in the form of a principal reduction. So any funds left over from that contingency fee, let's say it's not used, are paid down to principal balance. Like I said, it's a great product. If you're listing a home that is in need of repairs and you want to open it up to a broader audience instead of listing it just as is, or cash only or conventional only, this product enables home buyers to get into these homes without the seller having to make any repairs whatsoever. So hope this was informative, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to call. And of course, if you have any clients that would like more information, please don't hesitate to pass along my information. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.